Make a great choice today with the 2020 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, ventilated front seats, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.